In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin on Swyftx. So however, since Swyftx is only available in certain countries and not mine, I can't create an account myself, but I've done my research. So listen carefully as I explain the steps as we have the full access, assumingly. So first, visit the Swyftx official website and log into your account using your credentials. So if prompted, complete the two-factor authentication or 2FA for added security. Now, assumingly we have an access to the official website of Swyftx or the main interface or the dashboard here in Swyftx. So once login, go to the withdrawal section from the dashboard and then select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrency. And then in the withdrawal form, you'll need to enter the Bitcoin wallet address where you want to send the BTC. Double check the address carefully, and then sending BTC to the wrong address cannot be reversed. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and make sure you check the network fees before proceeding, as this can vary depending on network congestions. And review all the details to ensure accuracy. If enabled, complete two-factor authentication to confirm the transaction. And then after that, click submit to initiate the transfer. So once submitted, you can check the transaction status under the transaction history section. And to track your Bitcoin transfer, use a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com by entering the transaction ID. And that's it. That's how you send Bitcoin on Swyftx. Since I couldn't create an account due to country restrictions, everything I shared is based on research, assuming we have a full access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.